What's up, guys? So FJ is broken. It's making a noise. I thought it was the wheel bearings. Put it into the shop. As much as I don't do that, they told me it's the rear diff. So I re-geared this to 488s from the 373s from the factory a couple of years ago, and parts are still under warranty. So what we're going to do is rip them out, send them back for some warranty repair, and get this thing back on the road, properly geared, properly lubed. Have a good time. Alright, let's get into it. Jeez. That looks bad on camera. So for those of you that know, 85-140 is kind of like a greenish, goldish, kind of honeyish looking colored fluid. Not really sure how to describe it, but that's how it looks. Anyway, we know what's wrong with it anyway, so yeah, I'll just get this shit fixed.
Make the ground shake.
As you can see, these are the gears. Alright, this is our 488 to 1 re-geared East Coast gear supply, Nitro gears. But the bearings, aka these guys, which won't be bad for them to replace it off. If I'm not mistaken, they're just going to pop those guys off, swap them out with a press if needed, and just stab that thing back on there. It'll be pretty straightforward. So send this out for some warranty repair, and if it's not, it might be that guy down in there. I don't know if you guys can really see that really well in the video, but these little rollers down in there that you can see kind of moving with the diff as it goes. You see them kind of rotate just a hair there. So it's either that bearing and or this one and this one, and basically that's our differential bearings. So see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Anyway, let's get this thing bagged up. For anyone wondering, you know what kind of maintenance I've done on this, I've replaced the gear oil in this bad boy since the re-gear every 10,000 miles. So basically every other oil change. Lucas 85-140 all way, non-synthetic. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Look, I even got more for you guys. That was embarrassing. I'm just kidding. All right.